a lot of people have this confusion about the softwares, like because it's a different country and they are working on some great feature films. So it's a confusion that whether they will be using some personalized softwares, or is it only the Maya majorly in all the studios?
I think in a large majority of the studios, it's just Maya. I think Pixar and DreamWorks have their own softwares,
Okay.
and I think Disney recently moved to one of their softwares, I think. So I think that those studios have different softwares, but DNEG uses Maya. I think most studios use Maya. There's really no other one. There's Blender, but I don't think a lot of studios use Blender.
Yes. So
But the software is not important. I see that question a lot, and it's entertaining to see when you post like an awesome animation and someone says, "What software did you use?" It's not the question to be asking, because
yes,
it's obviously, it's animation is animation regardless of the software, and if you would be able to do the same thing on any software, so it's the wrong question to be asking.
yes, absolutely. You shared the right thing. And this is what I generally tell to all the students here as well, that people come to me. But this question I ask, just clarify so that when somebody sees this episode, they also know that, okay, it is not like that everywhere. And I also share this, that if you know animation, you can do it in any software. Software is just
Mm,
a tool that is going to give
exactly.
you some things how you animate. I give them a very simple analogy about relating it with the toothbrush. I tell them that you brush the teeth the same way, like this only. Whether you use this brand, that brand, that brand, whatever the brand is, the process is the same.
Absolutely.
So that is a good thing that you shared, that you need to focus on the art of animation instead of being technical. More of it should be more of performing and art, how the character feels, how they should behave in a particular situation.